Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai food. This one is very famous Thai food in Thailand. The balance of sweet, salty, sour and spicy flavor make this one is perfect Thai dish. This one is Thai stir-fry tamarind shrimp, or in Thai we call Goong Thot sauce mะขาม. First, we need to clean our shrimp. Take off the shell, but keep the tail and also the head of the shrimp. It will make it beautiful. And then cut the center of the back and remove the back line out. We're gonna cut the center of shrimp until it's over the bottom side, and then we will put our tail up like this. We're going to coat our shrimp with our flour. Heat enough oil in a wok for medium heat, and when the oil is hot, add our shrimp and fry it. For the shrimp is easily to cook, we use only 2 or 3 minutes until it's cooked. Flip and fry the other side. And then we need to remove it. Gonna slice the shallot. If you don't like this, you can skip for this step. The next we need to fry our shallot. For this one you can use the same oil as we used for the shrimp, and stirring until our shallot is evenly brown and crispy. And then drain them on the paper towel. and after that it will make more crispy after it's cool. For the tamarind sauce, heat the ingredient in small saucepan over medium heat. First we add the palm sugar for 2 tablespoons and tamarind sauce for 2 tablespoons and fish sauce 2 tablespoons. It means 3 of the ingredients is the same. If you want the more, you can increase. We're gonna simmer for 3 or 4 minutes or until the sugar is dissolved. Now it's ready and then we need to serve. Press the fried crispy shallot and then press on top with the cilantro and continue with our shrimp. And then we're gonna pour over the sauce. Scatter more for our shallot and also the fried chili. And now it's ready. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe and I hope you will like it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.